it steady on that seam.
Looks good from here.
Lowering block 4 now. All systems aligned, locking it in.
Steady on the left, bring it down. Locked in place.
All teams, proceed to Bay 4.
All systems are clear.
Clear for assembly. Check the hydraulic seals. Looks good. Applying grease now.
You are locked and loaded.
Perfect. Let's move out.
Flight, we are go for orbit.
Copy that. Telemetry is solid.
All stations proceed.
Course locked at 024. Contact inbound, bearing 045.
Subsurface signature confirmed.
Hard to port. Engage.
Contact, bearing 045.
Patching through the secure channel now. Core static. Initiating auxiliary flow. Pressure stabilized at 90%. Seal that breach!
I'm on it!
Good job, now check the pressure. Did you finish the diagnostic?
Yeah, we are all clear.
Let's get to the bridge. Your test results look very positive. Very positive.
That is wonderful news. Thank you.
Let's move on these mains. Service for table 4.
On it, chef. Load them up! Clear the hoist!
First, we remove all traces of rust. Then, apply the premium protective coat, preventing
Bridge, flight deck, all systems green.
Get that hook secured! All stations, we need air support now! Hold your position!
Secure all locks on Bay 4. All units, sync vectors. Execute jump on my mark. All systems operational.
Hold position, wait for my mark.
All personnel, initiate protocol. This is a drill, proceed to station.
All units, check integration. Systems are green, ready to move.
Initiate long-range deployment. All systems online. Visual on the carrier. Maintaining escort formation. Position locked, scanning Sector 7. Mission complete, data secured.
Catapult 1, ready for launch.